use me cash, me use my black card. Some boy need a city, I don't get hard. Me live in a your gal, rent free landlord. It's a tear. That's a no real. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape. Member out a road, say pussy dash wet in a paint.
Uno member fi subscribe. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. Jamaica Extra Nation, you don't know. Go and big up. Now, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel as well as give me a like, no? Smash up the like button there for me, please. Alright, so we're going to talk about the new song of Vybz Kartel drop on him Instagram. Really, him just preview it. But, me the one talk say, him look like him get him US visa too. So, we're going to dive into that story there before we talk about the song. So, here you now.
People, me I telling you something. See, God is the greatest, yeah. I see faith, move mountains. I see teamwork, make the dream work. But never forget, all things you have to put God and do good. Believe me, I say. But this under my nose, I'm out.
Yes, people. So there you have it. So a lot of people were saying that him probably get the US visa because, of course, them see him at the US embassy in Kingston, and him leave a positive message like that, leaving the interview. So, you know, a lot of people are just assuming that, hey, him get it. Now, he may have gotten it, you know, because as you know, the Grammys is coming up February 2nd, which is this Sunday. And, you know, a lot of speculations happening right now about the visa situation. Some people are saying we have to wait till Friday for you if he really get it, or, you know, if him get it or what, you know. But it's good to see him make the right moves, because if he does get this US visa, obviously this is going to be good for his business and good for his brand and good overall for dancehall music. He's already nominated for Best Reggae Album, and he has a few more people here: Khalid Buds, Shensia, Bob Marley, right? So I have a few people here that he have to compete with. Now, the album of the year, the best reggae album of the year, is going to be category 63, I think, or 67, 65, my bad, 65. So it's going to be category 65 of the Grammys. I already checked the website, and as you see on your screen, you saw, yeah, Vybz is definitely nominated. So hopefully him get the Grammy, and, you know, it will be something that, of course, a lot of people would be happy about, including myself. So big up to the world boss. Hopefully, wish you all the best, and wish all the nominees the best, because Khalid Buds is a good artist too. And Shensia, you don't know, you know, she are going with that thing. And Bob Marley and the Wailers, you don't know how the thing go already. But me I like to see the world boss win. I don't know how to feel about that. Put in the comment section, make we talk about it. Yeah, man. So as me that say now, viewers and subscribers, the song we Kartel preview on him Instagram, me I go play it for you right now. So I want to check it out and tell me what you think. Listen here now.
Glory to the Lord.
When me know what fi use me cash, me use my black card. Some boy need a city, I don't get hard. Me live in a your gal, rent free landlord.
It's a tear. That's a no real. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape. Member out a road, say pussy dash wet in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see. It's a tear. Yeah.
Yes, people. So when you hear the song, want to think about it. But feel so that song you're going to get #1 very easily at Jamaica right now. And what me that like is a positive message it a push. You understand? Positive message to the youth them. Certain things we're not going to do. Like this one here. That's what I say. So it's so bad, people, me have to go play it again. No, listen again. Listen again. That's shut up.
Glory to the Lord.
When me know what fi use me cash, me use my black card. Some boy need a city, I don't get hard. Me live in a your gal, rent free landlord.
It's a tear. That's a no real. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I grape. Member out a road, say pussy dash wet in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see. It's a...
Yes, people. So I really think that this song, Immature Words to Deva Bratt, was another artist that was on Portmore Empire back in the early 2000s. And Deva Bratt, well, I think what really happened is, people, that Kartel did an interview, Zane, And I know say no for wanna probably listen to interview the way I'm do with another podcast named The Fix at Jamaica. Right, they did a podcast and him Kartel basically say, you know, him couldn't really par with Deva Bratt. They asked him about Deva Bratt, really. They asked him about grudges, holding grudges, and if, you know, why him not par with Deva Bratt and stuff like that. And he must say, well, you know, Deva Bratt did get charged for rape a couple times, and, you know, him it's bad for business, and him can't really par with them artists there. So may I say, and you know, the artist did feel away, and him did respond on film Instagram, as well as him did have couple songs where him throw some jobs at Vybz Kartel. But listen here now.
Deva Bratt always hold the thing. So what me I say now, you say me a rapist, right? When Lisa hyper 15 or 14, I'm sure now say me see you and her going to the bathroom for a number of moments or a number of minutes. Yeah? And no. Reasoning did I go on in there. See? So me and you are the same thing. Me and you fit should have been in the same cell. Yeah? The same jail cell. Me and you should have in when it come to that. Yeah? So, you get acquitted from your crime. Me was not guilty. I wasn't guilty for my crime. My crime acquitted from jump. Right?
Yes, people. So, there you have it. So, the man respond to Vybz after, you know, Vybz did the podcast and him say some things about him. Well, he was asked about this artist and him respond, and of course Deva Bratt don't like what he said about him, and him a throw him words there at Vybz Kartel, and him a say some things, as well as he make couple song already. And if you go up on him Instagram page, I'm pretty sure you can hear it. But you know, Vybz not really respond to this guy, you know what I mean? Him busy right now. I deal with him US visa. I'm busy right now. I make some money moves. And I think at that, this brother I need to focus on is making some money moves. So may I say, year just start and we have to deal with positivity. As well as, yeah, if somebody says something bad about me, I have got to defend it. But if I the truth, then I guess I the truth. What do you feel about that? More you know respond in the comments and make me know what to think. When I think say Vybz respond to him again, or the things of the music right now, the new music when me just show on a year, hear it for yourself, right? On hear it for yourself. So the things say that's about him. Like want to feel, want to think. You know what I'm saying? Put in the comment section and we could talk about it, we could discuss it. You don't know till next time. Want to stay safe, like the video and subscribe. And till the next one, I'm out.